So, I'm guessing you thought that I was gone forever. I'm sure you thought that there's no way, and I mean no way, that he's coming back on YouTube. I'm sure you thought that once WrestleMania was over, you would not see me again. Well, you're wrong. I'm back. I'm back to issue a challenge to anyone, and I mean anyone, who is in Orlando, Florida, who has a purpose, who wants to trade me. See, here's the difference between a lot of people. People don't understand who they are. Well, I know who I am. This has been my life for years. And now I'm asking anyone with a wrestling company in Orlando, Florida, to train me. It's as simple as that. Train me. Either you can or you can't. I am putting it out there what I want. And I don't care who I have to go through to get it. I want to be trained, and I want to wrestle. Train me. You will be training the greatest wrestler of all time.